makes me feel so happy. I get so excited to be a community development officer where council supports me to do beautiful work like this and work that really means something, to bring in a local nursery to partner with us and a community organisation and members of the public.
Coming down with someone else, I was like, oh geez, this is really different. Like it straight away catches your eye, because there's street plantings around, but the variety of plants is quite unusual in this collection across the garden, and that's really beautiful. So there's lots more colour, heaps more texture, and also incredible diversity of forms. So it's not just low, not just medium, not just high. It's really beautifully integrated, and it does imitate maybe more of a home garden. So it feels more relaxed, more inviting. And oh my gosh, there's like little honey eaters in there. I was like, it's so beautiful. Like it's because they're there because of that diversity. There's so many flowers to choose from, so much food available. I was like, this is fantastic. It's not your average street garden.
It is really a space about being an urban pollinator refuge. So creating that refuge space for pollinators, but also creating a space of functionality and beauty for community to connect in with and be a part of, and feel like that this space is also their space.
That's a great thing to realise, that whether you have a big backyard or you're on a balcony garden, whether it's in pots or in the soil, you can have your own pollinator garden, which is good for the birds and bees and good for you.
Some of the key feedback we're getting is please continue to do the work like this, because it makes people feel good. That's that mental health and wellbeing space of just visually observing and being connected to something through observation, and connecting with the garden space makes them feel happy.
This is so heartening to come into Townsville Council and see these things just happening. No one's told them to do it. They're responding to their community need and collaborating with their community, and it's incredibly refreshing just to see a council being guided by community and collaborating with really authentically.